na umuwi. How is the ID90 here?
Dali.
Good?
Sorry.
Welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at KLIA2 and today we are going to drop off Baby Poo for his flight to Manila. So the flight is at 8 a.m. but came here at around 5 because it's our first time to check in from KLIA2. So usually for staff we have the W check-in counter. And even if it's regular fare, for example, you just need to do your online check-in and then baggage drop. We're not used to it. Because we do mano-mano lagi. So, let's see where it goes.
Confirm.
Yay! So nice.
What's this? Confirm?
Confirm. Did you packed it yourself, right?
Yeah.
You did not bring anything. So,
Yes.
okay, you have all requirements. Scan your passport, please.
Yun.
Wow. So, you have your tag already? Paano umuwi? How is the ID90 here?
Dali.
Good?
Sorry.
.2, 18.9. Safety notice. Scan your bag tag.
Matanggalin ulit na.
Lagyan mo na lang dyan. Hanapin mo na lang yung bag tag. Taas mo lang. Para hindi ka na mahirapan. The bag tag is attached. You want to drop? Okay, no. Enjoy your flight. Keep it clean. Yippee!
Gano'n lang pala kadali.
Bye bag. Ayun na siya. Malis na siya. Bye bye. Did you forget anything? So here, not much of yung may Malaysia na mga chocolates. We bought it in city center. This one's like generic chocolates. Bye-bye. Yay, bye-bye. Salamat, Jolan. Bye-bye na. For today, guys, so I'm here on the second floor. I'm waiting for the departure, so just in case, of course, na there's any eventualities, I wanted to make sure that the flight already took off before I leave kasi medyo malayo din, mga around 15 minutes to go here at the airport. But nonetheless, the experience with checking in and dropping the baggage is really good, even though it's an ID ticket. And of course, what more if you paid for the fare? So everything is smooth here at KLIA2. I really like this place. I don't know, I can live here. Everything is available. There are a lot of shops, there are a lot of food, there's grocery. Actually, when it comes to souvenirs or the chocolates, not much of difference if you are not going to buy in bulk. So for example, I think there is 3 or 2 ringgit difference when it comes to coffee, the Old Town coffee, if you buy it outside compared to the airport. And for chocolates, you can also find like chocolates with Kuala Lumpur or Malaysia in similar rates outside. Of course, you have more choices when you buy it from outside. But if in case that you didn't have a chance to shop outside, it's all here. As you can see, I thought there was a viewing area here because here down this hall is the international departure. So in Terminal 3 in the Philippines, you'll be able to view the people leaving in international departure. So I went up and however, you cannot see anything right now. But it's a good place. Nobody's here actually with me, and then I'm just viewing everyone leaving Malaysia. I'm enjoying the view here. So thank you very much for watching my vlogs, and I hope you learned something. It's also our first time because usually in the Philippines we love people, we love speaking to people, but here it can be automated. As you can see, they're doing all their self check-ins in the kiosk, and then you just need to drop the bags. You just need to drop the bags. There's still some counters with staff, but I think they're trying to make everything as seamless and as smooth as possible. So that's about it. Thank you very much.